Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to fix the red magic game mode intro stuck in loop. I don't know why, but it's crashing for some reason. To fix this issue, please go to Settings, Apps, press on the three dots and press on Show System, then search for the Game Space app and clear its app data. To be sure, press Force Stop and reopen the game space. After following all these steps, it should hopefully work as it should again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It motivates me to make more informative videos.